Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing and signing in. This is the only way forward. Open the app, allow location and Wi-Fi access so networks appear. Create or log into your account and confirm the verification code. This links your device. Once done, you'll see nearby shared hotspots. Make sure the app displays signal bars and a network status icon. If a network is hidden, use the app's scan function to reveal it, then proceed to connect using the steps that follow. Now select a hotspot from the scan list, sort by signal strength or distance to prioritize stability. Tap Connect and follow the provider's authentication. Enter a password, redeem a voucher code, or complete the social login flow depending on the hotspot type. The app negotiates DHCP and runs an internal connectivity test, so wait until it reports IP assignment and internet reachability. If captive portal pages appear, the app will open them. To finish, verify the connection by loading a web page or running the app speed check. You want consistent responses and usable throughput. Save reliable hotspots to favorites and enable auto join so you reconnect automatically next time. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle device Wi-Fi off and on, then relaunch Wi-Fi Magic to re-authenticate. If that fails, clear the app cache or sign out and back in. Keep credentials and vouchers handy to resolve authentication hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.